All right, aloha everybody. We're gonna do a little shoulder and arm workout today. Grab some weights. I have some 10-pounders that I'm going to use. I also have a cushion here because I couldn't find my blocks. So a cushion can help with just supporting your knee when we put a knee down or sit down. Let's just start with some warm-ups, some arm swings side to side. And we'll go 10, 9, 8. Keep breathing and just swinging your arms, feeling the movement from the floor all the way up. 2 and 1. Nice. Take a nice inhale and exhale down, pushing the hands together. Nice. And one more time. Inhale. And pushing the hands together as you calm down. Nice. We'll just do a little crossbody. Knee to elbow. Knee to elbow. And we'll go 10, 2, and 1. Nice. Big punching and a little twist in the back with my foot. No need to go fast yet. Let's just get the movement. This is engaging my shoulder, getting a nice twist with my abs. As you get going, you might be able to go a little faster. So we'll go. 5, 4. The breathing really does help. 3, 2, and 1. Nice. Other side. So starting slow till we get the movement. Don't forget about the other hand is right here to block if necessary. Nice. And then we'll just go a little faster. So we go 1, and I'm counting for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice. We'll start slow. Again, we're going up, 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 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then some fast ones. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice. Shake it out. A couple speed bags. So we'll do so out and then in. Okay? So again, start slow. Don't hit yourself in the face. It's like you're hitting a speed bag that's above you, and then you just try to see if you can go as fast as you can. Belly is on. We'll go 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice. Shake it out. And then this one will go towards myself. Start slow. Once you get the rhythm, see how fast you can go for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, keep going, 3, 2, and 1. Nice. And then big back stroke. Shake it out. Roll it out. Swim it out. And taking deep breaths. Nice. All right. Slightly bent over, not too much, just a little bent over. And then just coming up and down, up and down. I'm thinking just a little squeeze, my rhomboids engaging, and my serratus on the side engaging. Let's go 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. We're going to go singles. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Back to doubles. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Singles. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nice. Overhead presses. Twist in it and down. Twist and down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right over to the other side. Switching my feet. We go push, twist. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got it. 8, 9, 10. Then we're going to go singles. So keep your legs like this so that you can switch and switch. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice. Nice. So we're going to go up and we're going to stay that elbow nice and high. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep that back long. 9, 10. Nice. Keep my back nice and flat. Get the weight up. Keep the tricep, the elbow high. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like a little V sit. And then we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Nice. Then we're going to add one leg up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm just going to add in like a little twist. So I'm kind of like twisting and row. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Other side. It's working slow first till we get the movement. We're going down and up. Engaging. Serratus, squeezing like I got a grapefruit underneath my armpit, in my armpit. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Those elbows bent as we go out to this side. This will lessen the lever so it's not as difficult. Hey, if you want to try a little straighter arms, go for it. I'm going to go 8. So a little higher reps today, lower weight. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hey, do me a favor and hit that like, subscribe, and follow me for more videos. Leave a comment if you like the speaker and me talking the whole time and counting with you, or putting in the audio vocals later. So let me know which one you prefer. I'm going to go forward and V, and forward and V. Nice. Forward and V. Keeping the tummy strong. Back is strong. Forward and V. Now I'm going to see if I can do a few V forward. V and forward. Let's do 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice. I'm grabbing just one of my weights. We're in our V sit. We're just going to go side, center, side. Now, important that you really make sure that you're being careful with your low back. If this is bothering you at all, don't add the weight. We're going to do a few more here. We're going to go 10, 9, 8. Glue those knees and ankles together. Yes, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm going to keep my elbows just slightly bent. They're coming over, and then my knee will come up. Again, this is, a good amount of weight for me. So it's 20 pounds. So I'm just making sure I move really slow and controlled. When we have heavier weights, I feel like it's better to move slowly and make sure that you don't hurt yourself. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. So this one you're going to feel in that whole shoulder joint. And maybe last one. Nice. And all the way down. Get a little stretch after that. Make sure you guys take a good amount of time here to really stretch those shoulders out. Take some nice deep breaths. Please leave a comment. It really helps the algorithm. Share with your friends who really could use this workout. Thanks for watching. Aloha.